1, 2, 3, action!
No, Mom, you says.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, action!
Mom, God says.
Okay guys, this is Toby's vlog and he's gonna show you something.
Yeah, this is my new game. And I'm a pro now. I'm a pro.
He's a pro in this game and this is what you call?
I am a report by the simulator.
Yay! Which is a cool game.
Yeah, and I'm literally make gods and not anything like but not King Kong because I want to have King Kong.
Oh, you already built King Kong?
No, cannot.
Oh,
Look,
okay.
see?
Oh yeah, he's already made. But
He's not made.
tell us something. Oh, he's not made?
Yeah, but I think I would go into this game.
Don't
This
you?
is Snook, Naba, this is how to play it.
And they're gonna battle?
Yeah, that's Snook.
So the mechanics is you need to build your own mech first.
Hey, why is it Matt Kaiju?
Oh, kaiju. And then after building a kaiju, what are you gonna do?
Spawning some enemies and then press a button and then side.
Oh, that's so nice. I wanna try it later. But I forgot. I don't have it
Mom,
installed on my
Suwos
phone.
is not cock.
Really?
Yeah.
Who is your favorite character that you built in there?
Godzilla,
Godzilla.
because look, it looks so cool.
Oh yeah, you showed me how to build Godzilla one time, right?
Yeah, my mom. Guess what? To make this game, I'm actually you know how much to pay? You know how to build Godzilla?
How?
I can show you. This dinosaur, it can help you.
Oh.
It can help you to make Godzilla.
And then you could just
Because
put those.
because this arms is connected to this. Because it's not the same arms, right?
Oh, that's why you got the arms.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Look.
Ah, so cool.
Yeah, but I'm not get all of the dinosaur yet. Yeah, but I get only T-Rex and Tiny and Boo. And the Boo. Yeah. I'm putting humans.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Wow, the humans get destroyed. Yeah.
Imagine how big the kaijus are and humans are just so tiny.
Yeah. Yeah, but I like this. And Godzilla, what are you shooting? What are you shooting, man? Yo, what are you shooting? Yo, what in Godzilla is shooting? What is he
It's
shooting?
just he missed, bro.
He's missed. Maybe he's trying to hit the wing. It's trying to hit him in the wing. So he's going to slide down in the side. Yo. Oh, it's fighting the... Wow, it's destroyed that head. It's destroyed King Agoya's head. One of the heads. Oh my... What is... What?
It felt like King Ghidorah's body is too heavy because of the.
Bye-bye.
Oh, it's just one.
Yes, just one. Yeah, and I think King Agoya is looks so cool. You know what I must say, guys? It's Godzilla and then Kikoya. Because you know why? King Agoya is gonna look so realistic and Godzilla, yes, looks so cool. Yeah, and like King Godzilla's coming back. So I don't know how to get Tamor. I don't know how to get Tamor.
We just saw Thermo this morning, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we have to get it in wait, what is this game again?
Was that a different game?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
but
see.
now you know how to get Tamor?
There?
Yeah. You need to get the another map.
Oh, and then when you unlock this, you're gonna get thermo?
Wow, that's so expensive, Paul.
No, it says so subscribe.
So,
Oh, yeah.
what's this subscribe?
There's a bayad.
Yeah, what up some eagles? I can look at the eagles. This is got scan. This got scanned. This got scanned. What is that? That is not the eagle. That is not the eagle.
That looks like a flaming eagle.
That not even makes sense in the real night. Yeah.
That's Ibong Adarna.
What? Yeah. And look, why humans is tiny to guys too? Shit.
Bro, kaiju are monsters. Luchi is a baby kaiju.
What? That doesn't make sense. Now this is look at goodness. But the baby goodness. No. No, which guy?
Restart
We
it
can do not see that.
again.
Which guy?
Okay, go.
Not in the not him. In here when I saw that game.
Okay, show it to me again.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a giant. Oh my god. It's a giant
I
gigantic guy. Oh, the baby golden retriever is already outside. The puppy.
But guess what? It says unlock the pig suit. It's pig suit.
Oh, that's Bigfoot.
Yeah, that's pig suit. Another pig suit na. Nagabuta na yung boy.
Just put
Kaya!
one.
Pig suit is kaya die. Yeah, but I hate pig suit because it's so wiggly. It's so wiggly. What?
Oh my god.
What?
One shot?
Paul says, give it to me. The body of King and Goya. It's kicking to me. It's not Paul. God says kick the cow on purpose. Now,
Bro, it's getting sunny.
Yeah.
Look, the weather outside is getting nicer.
Yeah, but nigga focus.
Okay, focus on the game.
Yeah, but not odds.
Where's Lucy? Lucy! Hi, baby.
So guys, look at this. So how do I move Spacesuit and the humans? and guys, and then I gonna make something. Big one leg. Big one leg.
Pick one leg. This.
We cannot do that yet.
Okay.
This guys.
Okay. Maybe this.
Okay, that.
Yeah.
Mom. Wee! Oh my god, what the part is. Oh my god! Oh my god! Now, pick which body. Pick which body.
Which body?
Yeah.
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
You go big.
Oh God.
That's the wrong one.
Yeah.
Big one. No, big one orange.
Arms?
Yeah.
Um.
Piece this one.
Yeah, that one.
Whew. Pick which body? Piece this one.
Head?
Piece
Okay, that one.
Piece.
Oh my God.
What is this made? I made
It
what?
looks like the arms are upside down.
Wow. But mom, that is not upside down. That is just the sides.
Oh, I see.
I need to press 1. So I need this. Now it's having it spiky now.
Oh my goodness.
I
You
need
are
to-
under spiky again?
Yeah, I need spiky. And I go put some the armor to it because it go make a robot. Because I can make abomination.
Abomination?
Yeah.
Abomination?
Oh my god. I could use
Lucci.
this golden. Gold! Gold! No. Golden spiky! Golden spike!
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, what was this?
Oh my god. I just put something on his head.
Mom, that's a hook! That is a hook! That's the hook of the head!
Oh goodness.
What is wrong with me now?
I don't know.
I need to kind. I go put Pacific Rim's head. I put Pacific
Sure.
Rim's head. I put Pacific Rim's head. Wait a minute. I have to put the Ayamoy head. Ayamoy. Yeah. I put the Ayamoy head. And I did go to case. What is this game? What? That one. This game.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Ooh. Wait a minute. Yeah. One way. One way. That's a one way. Oh my god, I'm not gonna put that. I'm not gonna put another. Oh my god, what in the world this meat is made?
I don't know.
This is the first time I made this.
Yeah, I know, right? What
No.
what should we call that guy?
Mom, we cannot call that guy. Oh,
Oh my god.
this guy.
So you also need to build who's gonna be your enemy?
Yeah.
Oh, I
don't
see.
want that. Yeah, but yeah, because sometimes I want to make a enemy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And because sometimes I make weird enemies like this. So the whole but this looks so weird. Ooh, I can put this. Yeah. Number 1. But I know how to make Giga Speakerman speakers. See? This is how to make Giga Speakerman speakers. This is how to make Giga Speakerman speakers.
Yeah.
That is how. But I couldn't let him borrow it because yeah. Oh my god. What is this made in? What? I'm not understand this now. Oh, I forgot. Oh my god. This is so hard. Ooh, yeah. Not Pato. I like this king. But what? Mom, they could call this guy who? And they could call him who? What?
Speaker spiky guy.
No.
I don't know.
No, I did not call him. I did not call somebody like that.
Maybe let's just call him Avatar 1.
No, I did not call him. No, I did not call him.
Then his name is gonna be
I
I do not wanna call him.
did not call him nothing.
It's gonna be nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing 1.
No, we could call him Abomination.
Abomination.
Yeah, this looks weird.
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
this is already 14 minutes. I'll end this up. Say bye na.
Bye bye.